Hello and welcome to another episode of How To with Paul Henderson. Today's video, I will be installing the Quad-Lock Fork Stem Mount Pro, and I will be installing this on my 2007 GXXR 1000 Super Street Bike. Now this Quad-Lock Fork Stem Mount is going to hold my GPS into the fork stem on my motorcycle. Now right now, I am using the BROKOVAN Fork Stem Mount, and my GPS is attached to that mount using the GPS adapter that is on back of the Garmin GPS. Now the BROKOVAN is doing what it's supposed to do. It's holding my GPS in place, but I was so impressed with the Quad-Lock waterproof USB adapter that I installed, I decided to go ahead and purchase this Quad-Lock Fork Stem Mount Pro to replace the BROKOVAN Fork Stem Mount. Now that BROKOVAN has their own line of accessories that attaches to their mount. Now since I was using the Garmin GPS and the Garmin GPS adapter that attaches to that ball, that Garmin GPS adapter didn't snap into place like it does on the Garmin balls. I had to use some, a JB plastic weld and weld that Garmin adapter to that ball. So with this, the only thing I have to modify is this adapter right here. That will be going on the back of the GPS, and then that's going to attach to this. And to remove my GPS, I just press a little lever and it pops right off. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you what's in the box. So what you get in the box is so you get some decals, a warranty sheet, and instruction manual. And I'm gonna go ahead and take all these out of here real quick. Boy, they got these really snug in there. Okay, so here is the steering stem mount. This is black anodized CNC aluminum, and this will fit between these two sleeves. It'll fit a steering stem of 12 millimeters to 25.4 millimeters. Then you also get the adapter that goes on top of here, and then of course this adapter attaches to that, and this will be on the back of the GPS or your phone. And you get an Allen key. So now for the installation. Now I will put a link to these two items in the description of the video. The part number on the adapter is QLA-UNI-3. Now I'm not too sure if that's an I or an L or a 1, but I think it's an I. Then the stock code for this on the quadlock.com site is QLM-FSM-PRO. So let's go ahead and get to the installation. So this is a spare GPS. Now I want to show you the back of it. Now the back of this one isn't flat. Now if it was completely flat, you can just take this adapter and just stick it right on. Now what I had to do was, because this isn't a flat surface, but it does have a flat trim ring right here, I had stuck this adapter to the back of my Garmin, and then I took some JB plastic weld and just put them on the corners here just to make sure it stays down. The tape did stick really well to this, but I just wanted to make sure that it was not going to come off at all. Now if you have a phone that's a completely flat surface on the back, you will not have any issues mounting this to the back of a phone or a GPS if it has a completely flat surface. So now let me go ahead and remove this, and then I'll show you how to install the new one. I think I oh, there we go. Okay, so now this is all made out of CNC machined aluminum, and it does tilt back and forth, so you can adjust it any way you want once you have it in place. So you just got to tilt that back a little bit, and it comes with a Allen key right here. So as you tighten the screw that's in there, it'll push out on that sleeve. And I'm going to take a guess that's straight right there. Take this little adapter, and you have to remove before use. This is just to hold that screw in place. There we go. Let me just make it a little bit more tighter here. So now what you're going to do is tighten these side screws on the side of here. Let's see, I'm going to adjust it right there. And you have two of them. Now you got this one over here that you can tilt this way. I'm going to leave it right there. Once the GPS is on here, or the phone, when you want to remove the GPS or the phone, push down on that lever, and then you're going to twist and then remove it. To mount the GPS, you're going to put it right on there. Snaps right in place. To remove it, push down that black lever and twist it to one side, and it just lifts right off. Well, that's a wrap up on another how-to video with Paul Henderson. This one was the installation of the QuadLock Fork Stem Mount Pro. Now, the one thing I noticed right away is that my GPS is now sitting higher off the bike, which means that I get my key into the ignition a lot easier. Now, to adjust the GPS or your phone forward or backward, you will need to unscrew one of those two screws on the side of the stem, and then you can tilt it forward or backward. If you need to do a micro adjustment for left or right, you're going to need to tilt the GPS or the phone forward and use the Allen key to unscrew the screw inside of the fork stem mount, and then you can twist it left or right, tighten it down, and then put the GPS back where you want it to be. Then you're all set to go. Now with this, you can use the Allen wrench to unloosen the two screws on the side, and you can adjust the GPS forward or backward. Now if you need to tilt it left or right, just unloosen those two screws, tilt the GPS forward, and you can unloosen the hold down screw that expands the sleeve to keep it into the fork stem. And then you can adjust it left or right, tighten it down, and then put this back to where you want it, then tighten those two screws on the side of the bracket. Now if you're out somewhere, and you park your bike in a parking lot and you don't want to leave your GPS or your phone on here, so what you're going to do, you're going to push down on that black lever, twist it, and then it comes right off, and this will be nice and safe in your pocket. Well, that's it, folks. If you like this video, tap the like button, tap the subscribe button, that really helps out my channel, and the bell icon, and you get notifications as new videos come out. If you want to make a small donation to my channel, tap the super thanks button underneath the video. Anything I get goes right back into my video. No, goes right back into my channel. And there will be some bloopers at the end of this video, so stay tuned for those. And I will see you in the next video. Drive safe, and may you not get lost, because your GPS will be mounted right here in front of you. Anyway, that's it. See you later. Bye. Now, recently I had installed the QuadLock, what was it? The QuadLock waterproof. Waterproof? Waterproof? No, waterproof. Okay. Now right now, my Garmin GPS is mounted to my fork stem mount with, it's not a fork stem mount, it's a fork stem. It's a fork stem, damn it. No, yes, it's a fork stem, not a fork stem mount. Well, that's a wrap up on a how-to video with Paul Henderson. This one was the installation of the quad lock stem fork mount. No, fork stem mount. Fucking fork stem mount. Well, it's a wrap up on a how-to video with Paul Henderson. This one was the installation test. Why can't I say that? Well, it's a wrap up on a... No. Well, it's a wrap up on a how... Oh my fucking bitch. Well, it's a wrap up on a... Fucking... Fuckity fuck. My tongue's getting twisted. Or my words are getting twisted. Well, folks, that's a wrap up on another how-to video with Paul Henderson. This one was the installation of the Quad Lock Fork Stem Mount Pro. Now, the one thing I noticed right away was that I don't know how to talk. Anyway, that's it. See you later. Bye.